Hey, welcome back. You know, it's that holiday season, and during the holiday seasons, clients tend to venture out more into nail art. So, I'm here to create a 3D nail art for y'all. I'll be using this 4D gel clay that I got from Danji Nails. It has 12 colors, and you can mix and match as you like. I already created this cute little gnome design from the red and white gel clay, and I just wanted to show you how it looks like. Today I'll be creating a Christmas tree, and I already put an outline down on my tip so I know where my tree is going to be placed. I'll be using the green and blue 4D gel. And the green gel is actually more of a neon green, so I'll be using the darker blue to make it darker. I already went ahead and mixed these two colors to get the green that I want for my tree. Taking a piece of the darker green, I'm going to lay it down at the bottom to create that bottom part of the tree. Once I have the 4D gel on, I'm going to take my 3D nail brush with a little bit of alcohol on the brush, and I'm going to start molding it to where I want it to be. Now, if you start having gel heavier on one side, make sure to just press on it and move it on over. I'm taking a tool that's a bit flatter and pointier, and I'm going to start scoring to create that pine-like effect. I will make sure that I'm flipping over the nail tip so that I flatten that top part of the gel, because the next layer I'm going to be putting on top needs to have a flatter surface, because we don't want our nail art to be bulky. Make sure that if any gel that is coming off the tip when scoring, make sure to just push it back into place. And then once I'm satisfied with how it looks, I'm going to go ahead and cure this layer. So the next layer I'm going to put on will be the lighter green, and it's going to be the same step as before. Pat into it, into shape, and start scoring. I will want to add a bit of dimension into this part because it's that middle part, so you're pretending that the sun's gonna hit this part of the tree. So I will be scooping some darker green and blending it in with the lighter green to add that dimension. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this tree by creating that top part as well, and then we'll kind of continue with this nail design. Alrighty, so my tree is cured and it is set. I'm going to be adding a bit of life to this tree by adding white gel to it, you know, kind of creating that snow effect. So I'm just gonna take my 000 leaf gel here, and I'm gonna start brushing it on very lightly on the high points of the tree to create that effect. Once I cured my white, I'm gonna add a matte top coat on top of the tree just to bring everything together. And also this matte top coat will help my ornaments stay in place, hopefully. Now I'm going to create round ornaments to put on my tree. So I'm taking the white 4D gel and I'm going to create a ball with it. I will split this ball into 3 to make smaller ones because you really don't need super big ones. Side note here, I know you guys are gonna give me crap for not using glove when using the 4D molds, but if you're working on clients, then yes, please go ahead and wear gloves, but for the sake of this nail tutorial, I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna start placing my balls wherever I want them and then go ahead and cure it, and then I'm gonna start painting these white balls. The great thing about working with white 4D gel is that you can paint them whichever color you want. I went ahead and picked red, gold, and a glittery red, but you know, the sky's the limit when you do white 4D gel because you are able to create whatever you want. Alright, so now that my ornaments are cured, I'm gonna add a gold decorative garland. So I'm gonna use these caviar beads that's kind of in a string, and I'm just gonna kind of decorate my tree however I like. I'll be using the gel glue from Glitz to secure my garland, so I'm just gonna place it wherever I want my garland to go, and then I'm gonna place the garland down, and then I'm making sure that I will snip off whatever kind of doesn't go around the ornaments, just so that it will flow a little bit better. Once I cured everything, I'm gonna add the final touch, and that is adding a star on top of the tree. And then I'm gonna secure everything by top coating and curing. Well, this is the final look, and look how beautiful it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.